She's full of it. Okay. Happy 2020, honey.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
It's Matic Monday. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, a first video to kick off 2020. Okay, I am so excited and we are kicking it off with Matic Monday, honey. Brand new episode, you know what I'm saying? I did a quick look. I wanted to do like a neutral, warm, like pretty, like drama but simple look. I don't know how to describe it, you know, drama but not too much. Like, you could wear this just at night. This is a nighttime look, and you could wear it on a date. You could wear it, yeah, on a date, to dinner. You know, I wouldn't recommend the movies because who's gonna see you? So if you guys are interested in today's video, just keep on watching. All right, so with my P.Louise base and my taking this Romour number 2, going in with my MAC brush. This is what I'm using as my eye base today, and of course I've mentioned it before, you want to pat this base. You don't really want to like swipe or smear it or anything. The best way to set it and the best way to get it to dry down is by patting it. And you want to wait until it gets tacky. That's how you know it is dry and ready for shadow. If you do not wait, it's going to crease really bad. First palette I'm going in with is the Saharan palette by Juvias place, and I am going to take this like black shade down here, and I am packing this color into my lid, well, just the outer corner. Once I pack it on, that's when I'm really gonna take the time to blend it out. So now I am picking up my Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take Credit. Gonna pick up Credit. Gonna go right beside that black shade that I laid on my outer corner, and I'm just going to pat it and then blend it into that black shade, and I'm just going side to side, and just like that. Honestly, this eye look is really pretty. I have some of my P.Louise base, and I'm just gonna pick some of that up from the back of my hand and begin to cut my crease. So what I'm gonna do now is take Sponsored, and what I'm going to do first is I'm not gonna completely fill it in. I'm just going to go more so around it. I'm going to save the center for another color. This shade is so pretty. Like so. So now what I'm gonna do is pick up Trust Issues. So with Trust Issues, I'm just filling in the center. Such a pretty color. I love the way this look turned out. Now what I'm gonna do is take this NYX gold liner. Y'all have seen this before. I'm gonna go on top of the crease with that. So now I'm gonna take my Loveless Disco eyeliner from NYX. This is the Epic Ink Liner. I'm gonna give myself a wing. For lashes, I used my BellaFull lashes. It's a new brand. She sent me a pair, and these are in the style called Aina. They are so beautiful, and I love the packaging. These are really like your natural, like everyday type of lashes. That's what I love about them. These are the lashes, the type of lashes you could really pair with any look. I feel, you know, you could pair them with a dramatic eye such as this one, just so you could still see the eye look and the lashes won't take away too much from the eye look itself. Or you can wear them on their own. You could pretty much wear them with any type of eye look, which is why I really like them. They're so beautiful, so wispy, so nice. So yeah, I cannot wink. Oh, let me see. Oh, there we go. Okay guys, so that completes today's episode of Matic Monday. Let me tell y'all what I did for my lips. I did Bittersweet with Madeline from NYX and Super Nude from KKW Beauty. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did. And on the lower lash line, I just put this Nars eyeliner, and I smoked it out with the black. I'm so sorry I didn't get it on camera. I was running out of memory, honestly. So yeah, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me on my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications. And I will see you all in tomorrow's video. So bye guys.